So here we have our dirty 2010 Ford Fusion. Here's the problem. Got a cracked mirror. Move the mirror into the most downward position. Here are the clips that you will be undoing in here. So grab your screwdriver. So here's your clip right here. And press that down while you're forcing it out. There's one. Here's the other one. There's that one. Then the mirror comes off. You see these ones hook into there. Here's the heated mirror plugs. Unplug those and take the mirror off. Plug the new mirror in. Put the things in the... And there you go. Your new mirror. Easy as that.